is it worthwhile cleaning your roof?
Hi, my name's Sean. I'm a director of Clearstone Solutions.
There's a lot of issues that we always get faced with, and customers who have issues of moss falling on floors, blocked gutters, the aesthetics of it don't look great. People are trying to sell their houses and they want to create that right first impression. Essentially, there are 3 ways in which you can clean moss off roofs. Pressure washing the moss off or steam cleaning the moss off. And number 3 is by something called soft washing.
We are different to our competitors in the sense that we are soft wash systems authorised company. We use sodium hypochlorite as a base of our soft washing, and then we have surfactants that go in with our sodium hypochlorite, and we have a range of soft wash systems chemicals that we use. And essentially what that means is we go through a great deal of training. We use the equipment, top of the range equipment, which is behind me, and we use the top of the range chemicals to make sure that we are cleaning accordingly and to the highest possible standards.
So if you're interested to find out a little bit more about soft washing or how to clean your roof, please do not hesitate to reach out by hitting the link below, and we would love to have a conversation with you.